Good morning to you all, and I welcome you today to a new exercise. It is exercise number 12.3. As you can see here on the board, it is exercise number 12.3, and this exercise is based on volume and capacity. Volume means every morning when you collect the milk, you may be collecting 1 liter, 2 liter. You must have seen your parents or whenever you visit the petrol pump, people collecting filling the tank of their car, 10 liter, 15 liter, or 2 liter oil you bring, or 5 liter kerosene you bring, or when you take the medicines, especially the syrups, when you take, you must be taking 5 ml in the morning or 10 ml. So these all are the capacity, volume. Especially when it is a liquid, we use these units to measure the different volume of the capacity. These volumes are kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Remember once again, for revision I am saying you, when we convert the bigger unit into the smaller unit, we need to multiply, and we multiply by 10 for each successive step. Similarly, when we convert the smaller unit into larger unit, for each step we need to divide it by 10. So this is the basic concept we require to answer these questions. Now the first question of this lesson is match the given column. Here in the column A, certain measurements are given, and in column B also the measurements have been given. Let us first, I have already solved the two sums so that it saves time, and it will be explained to you now. 25 kiloliter can be converted in terms of liter. Kiloliter can be converted in terms of liter. Coming kiloliter, and you need to convert it into liter. So kiloliter can be easily converted to liter. Bigger unit into the smaller unit. So you need to multiply the number given in the kiloliter, and you multiply it by 3 steps are there. That means 1 and 3 0. Multiply it by 1 and 3 0. That means by 1000. So number in the kiloliter needs to be multiplied by 1000 in order to convert it into liter, which I have shown here. This is a portion of the board is for the rough work, and this same has to be done or copied on the right hand side of your copy. Make a small margin and show the rough work there. So 25 kiloliter, you need to convert it into liters. So 25 kiloliter multiplied by 1000, this kiloliter will become liter. So 25 into 1000 is 25,000 liter. Is it here? Do we have 25,000 liter? So now match it. Match it and copy the same. 25 kiloliter is equal to 25,000 liter. This is the first one. Now let's see the number B. I have done here already. Number B says 8 liter 45 milliliter. So 8 liter 45 milliliter means 8 liter 45 milliliter can be converted in terms of milliliter. Everything can be converted in terms of milliliter. Let's see how to do it. 8 liter 45 milliliter can be converted in terms of milliliter. 45 is already in milliliter. Just convert 8 liter in terms of milliliter. So 8 liter you are converting to milliliter. You are coming down means you multiply it by 1 and 3 0 means 1000. 8 liter, so 8 into 1000. The moment you multiply it by 1000, this will be converted. The unit will be liter, will become milliliter. And this 45 is already in milliliter, so just add this number plus 45 milliliter. So 8 into 1000 is 8000 milliliter plus 45 milliliter. The units are same. You can add this. So 8000 plus 45 is 8045. Don't write 845. It's 8045. You are in class 5, and I am not showing this addition. You are expected to know this at least. So 8 liter 45 milliliter is equal to 8045 milliliter. So match it here and copy the same here. 8 liter 45 milliliter is equal to 8045 milliliter. So this is the work for number B. Now let's see number C. 65,500 milliliter can be converted in terms of liter. Milliliter can be converted in terms of liter. So what shall we do? We are here milliliter, and we need to convert it in terms of liter. So that means these are smaller units. and you are converting it into larger unit. In that case, you need to divide. Okay, when you come down, you multiply, and when you go up, you need to divide. You are here and you want to come here, that means you need to divide. Divide it by 1, 2 and 3 zeros. 1 and 3 0. Divide it by 1000. So this one, number 3, 65,500 ml. When you need to convert this into liter, you need to divide it by 1000. So when you divide it by 1000, I have done it here. 2 zeros and 2 zeros are cancelled. What is left is 655 by 10. So 10 will divide 655. So what you get is 10 6 are 60. 5 is the remainder, and this 5 you get here. And 10 5s are 50. 5 is the remainder. Put a decimal, you will get 0. 10 5s are 50. So this is 65.5 liter, which is here. So number 3, number C is here, 65.5 liter. So same thing I am writing here, 65,500 milliliter is equal to 65.5 liter. I hope you are getting it. Now, number 4. I will see this dissect a little and I will show you the rough work here. Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Now number 4. 3 we have solved, remaining 3 now we are going to do. 6.550 liter. 6.550 liter can be converted to milliliter. It looks same. 6.550 is there. Okay. This is in liter, but this is in liter and milliliter. That means this matches with this. Alright. So this liter can be converted to milliliter. It's very simple. Number D. 6.550 liter. 6.550 liter can be converted to milliliter. Liter can be converted to milliliter. How shall we do this? Liter to milliliter. 3 steps. You are coming down means multiply by 1000. 6.550, and when you multiply it by 1000, it will be converted to milliliter. We were here 6.550 and we are converting it into milliliter. Or yes, we can do this. 6.550 convert it into milliliter. So it will be 3 zeros. You are multiplying by 3 0. Okay. Or in simple way also you can do. What you can do is 6.550 liter means 6 liter and 550 milliliter. So straight away it's here 6 liter 550 milliliter. You can copy that there. Now this is number D. 6.550 liter can be written as 6 liter 550 milliliter. This is very simple. So we can, what we have done is we have divided this 6 liter and remaining 550 milliliter. When you divide it by 1000 also you will get the same answer, but that will be a little lengthy. So this is quite easy for you to understand. Now come to number E and F. 25,000 ml can be converted to look same 25. So ml can be converted to liter. How can you convert the ml into liter? By dividing it by 1000. So 25,000 ml. Let's convert this into liter. 25,000 divided by 1000. This will be converted to liter. Cut these 3 zeros. What is left is only 25 upon 1 is 25 liter. Only 25 is left. Because when 25 will be divided by 1, you will get 25 itself. So 25 liter. This comes here to 25 liter. And in fair you can write 25,000 milliliter is equal to 25 liter. And the last one, actually Only one page is left, so you can directly match, but let us show the work. 18 decaliter is to be converted into deciliter. Decaliter. 18 decaliter. Decaliter is here. 18 decaliter, you are converting it into deciliter. So 2 steps are there. So that means you need to multiply it by 100. 2 zeros, 1 and 2 step. 2 step means 2 0. 1 and 2 0 means 100. Multiply it by 100 because you are converting the bigger unit into the smaller unit. So 18 and multiply it by 100. This will become deciliter. So 18 into 100 is 1800 deciliter, which is here. So you can write now number F, 18 decaliter is equal to 1800 deciliter. So this is, remember, keep in mind, this is the fair work. Copy this, match it, just below that write this. Okay. This is to be shown in the rough work. This is the, you can say, mantra. This is the most important formula, whatever you say. Kilo, hecto, decaliter, deci, centimilli. This is what you need to know in order. And once you master this in these steps, then it becomes very easy for you to convert and score very good mark. So this is the end of today's class. It is only I have completed. What I have completed is from exercise number 12.3, we have completed question number 1. So only question number 1 is done today. Today is Monday, and on Friday we shall complete the remaining portion. But now I would like to have some questions from you. Please do try to understand. Do this, practice it, and if you have difficulties, then please do have a phone call. You can make phone calls, or in my personal WhatsApp number also you can express your difficulties. So dear children, please do complete it, and please do your work at home. Thank you.